Finally, we'll talk about the firmware version up mode by downloading from a PC using FTP, File Transfer Protocol. As for system configuration, a PC with Windows 95, virtual modem, FTP server tools, for example, War FTP Daemon, the firmware data to be downloaded, and a serial cable are required. First, set up the PC for network use. Setting the virtual modem is required to perform dial-up networking. The virtual modem can be downloaded from the website shown here. Save the downloaded virtual modem file as directconnection.inf on a floppy disk or a hard disk in the PC. Click Start, choose Settings, and click Control Panel. Choose Modem, click the Add button to open the Install New Modem wizard. Choose Other, and click Next. Check Don't Detect My Modem, I will select it from a list, and click Next. Click Have Disk, choose the folder where the downloaded file is stored. Choose Direct Connection and click Next. Choose Communications Port COM1 and click Next. Click Finish and then installation of the virtual modem will be completed. Finally, click Close. Next, set up the dial-up networking. Double-click Network in Control Panel. In the Configuration tab, confirm that Dial-up Adapter and TCP/IP appear. If Dial-up Adapter does not appear, click the Add button. Choose Adapter from the Select Network Computer Type box. Choose Microsoft from the Manufacturer's List box. And choose Dial-up Adapter from the Network Adapter List box. Click OK and the TCP/IP protocol with Dial-up Adapter will be set up automatically. Next, the new connection settings. Double-click My Computer if the dial-up networking icon does not appear. Open Add Remove Programs in Control Panel. Click the Windows Setup tab, check Communications, and click OK. Dial-up networking will be installed. Double-click Dial-up networking and make new connection. Type in a name, for example, My Connection, in Type a name for the computer you are dialing. Choose Direct Connection in Select a Modem and click the Configure button. In the General tab, specify 115,200 as maximum speed. And check Only Connect at this speed. Click the Connection tab, confirm that no items are checked off in Call Preferences, and click the Advanced button. Confirm that no items are checked off in the Advanced Connection Settings dialog box and click OK. When the Make New Connection dialog box appears, click the Next button. Enter #39 in telephone number. And click the Next button. Click the Finish button and the setting of Make New Connection will be completed. Next is installation of the FTP server. For the FTP server, the freeware War FTP Daemon version 1.65 is required. This software can be downloaded from the website shown here. Create an FTP server folder in the PC and then download Ward165exe into it. Double-click the downloaded file and the file will be decoded automatically. Execute setup.exe and one of the files is decoded. Then store the setup files into Program Files. Create a WebShare folder on the PC and in it create an FTP root folder. This folder is used to store the firmware data to be sent to the copier. Click Start, select Programs, and click War FTP Daemon to start War FTPD-exe in the War FTPD folder. Click Properties, select Security, and click Edit User. And then click the Add button. And be sure to type in DPPC in New Name. Be sure to enter DPPC in both New Password and Verify Password. And then click the OK button. Choose DPPC, click the File Access tab, and click the Add button. Double-click WebShare and FTP root, and then click the OK button. Change the check marks for Read, Write, Delete, and Execute from gray to black. In addition, check Root, Home, and Recursive. Change the check marks for List, Create, and Remove from gray to black. And click Apply and then OK. Now you're ready to download the firmware. Finally, we'll explain the firmware version up mode. Please confirm that there are 6 files contained in the FTP root folder in the PC as shown here. These are the files in the folder. Remove the cover from the copier and connect the copier to the PC using a cross-type serial cable. While pressing 3 and 9 at the same time, turn on the main switch. Click Start, select Programs, and click War FTP Daemon. Then switch the FTP server online from offline. Double-click My Computer, double-click Dial-Up Networking, and double-click My Connection. Enter #39 in phone number and click Connect. If serial communication is established successfully, this dialog box will appear and indicate that the PC is connected to the copier. Then the control panel of the copier will show this. At this point, press the Help or Info key and you can confirm the current ROM version. Key in numeric values indicating data to be rewritten using the digital keys and the pound sign using the interrupt key. Refer to this list. Press the Start key and start downloading. Please do not turn off the PC or copier and do not disconnect the cable. Otherwise, FROM data will be corrupted, and as a result, the FROM will need to be replaced. If pound 1 to pound 3 are keyed in, this will be shown. After that, turn off the main switch. If 1 to 6 are keyed in, this will be shown. If you would like to continue downloading other items, please follow the same procedure mentioned so far. If you would like to finish downloading, press the Clear key and turn off the main switch. Click Cancel in the Re-establish Connection dialog box to exit the firmware version up mode. That completes our explanation of major adjustments.